Hi everyone, it's Nicole with YesStyle, and today we're going to be doing an everyday natural contour. To check out this look, stay tuned. For the most natural looking contour, you really want to focus on where you want to chisel your face, where you want things to look pushed back, or where you want to look more defined. So mostly what you're going to define is your cheekbones, your nose, forehead, chin, and jawline. Another important thing about contouring is what color you're going to choose to contour with. So when you're contouring, you want to create a shadow. So most shadows are going to be cool toned, or if you have very, very warm skin, then you want to do more of a neutral tone. So I'll be contouring with this Laneige contour stick. It has a very cool tone tip and a neutral bottom base. So you can get both of those colors in one contour for a really believable contour. So now we're going to apply. So based on my face shape, I want to chisel my cheekbones. So I'm going to start with the point down and drag along my cheekbone, just right underneath. I'm going to slightly contour part of my nose, my chin here, my forehead. So now we're going to blend our contour in an upward motion. I'm going to take a sponge and just lightly press, not dragging down, to blend out our contour. So now that our contour is blended, you can see that my cheekbones look a little bit higher, my forehead looks a little bit more defined, and my jawline looks a little bit smaller. This is the key to a believable contour. The cream makes this contour really blendable and really easy. It also makes it really subtle. So if you like a little bit more drama, a little bit more glam, you can follow up with a powder or just use a darker cream shade. So this is perfect for the amount of contour for an everyday natural look. And that completes our everyday natural contour look.